Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I am back with another 4 outfits from my Pinterest board that I was inspired to recreate using my own wardrobe, and these are spring related. I feel like we're almost out of spring and summer content's gonna come real fast and I'm super excited. But let's still jump into some of the last minute things. The first are the last minute spring outfits we can, because it's humid, it's gross, it's already hot outside in Texas. But the first outfit isn't like super like springy, but it's cute. I feel like we can make it kind of springy. I just feel like black isn't a traditional like spring summer color, but we're gonna put it together and see how it goes. I busted out my little Fabrique skirt again, which y'all know I love. It's just a great floor length, kind of pencil-y, not pencil, but like, I don't know how to explain it. Pencil skirt, right? Isn't it a pencil skirt? I don't know. Anyways, let's put it on and we're gonna put this outfit together. She looks really cute and I like it. Anyone else just look at their dog sometimes and just be like, you are so unbothered? Because that is my dog, so unbothered. I feel like he did not pee on the floor this morning. Rude. Rude. Okay, so this skirt, I always say I need to get altered. Just add it to my list of things I want to do but don't have time for at this moment. But anyway, let's go ahead and button this in. But I'm gonna wear a belt with it because she has a little belt. It's just a little big and I just need to get altered, but we're gonna work on that later. I feel like all the things that I want to get done here in Dallas, I'm like, let's just wait until we're settled in Plano and I can find all my people in Plano. Because I need to go to the dentist, but I'm like, let's just wait until we get to Plano, you know? Anywho, a little black tee. I placed an order for, like, it's my, like, reoccurring shipment from Chewy for Scouts, like, dog food and flea and heartworm, tick, whatever, medicine, and it was delivered to the wrong address. And if you know that, like, flea, tick, all that stuff is not cheap. So I, like, filed a claim, and then they just said, nothing they can do, reach out to Chewy. So thankfully Chewy is sending me a new one today because we're almost out of dog food. I'm kind of like, I feel terrible, but like that wasn't my house. It wasn't like I delivered it to the wrong address like I do all the time. It was simply, that's not my house. Anyway, okay, so she kind of has just like one side tucked up. I just have this little tee from Cuts on. And like I said, I just really need to get this like taken in, but a belt helps. If you have a good what do I want to say, like seamstress person in West Plano, let a girl know. Anyway, okay, let's put on, she has like some pointed little flats. I have these ones, I have fuzz all over me, from H&M, and really cute. They're more of like a woven, which I think is very like springy appropriate, even though like I said, this is like a full black outfit. It's not like screaming spring, but that's okay. I still think it's so cute and I've been wanting to recreate it and I feel like I nailed it. She has a black bag, but we know I've put away pretty much everything that I'm not using on a day-to-day basis. So this is it. Cute. This could be a cute like dinner, drinks sort of outfit in the springtime at night, summertime at night. It's all black. I love a good all black on black outfit. Think it's adorable. Anyway, let's move on to the second look. All right, look number 2 is so Kelly coded. It's not even crazy, not even funny. Words. You guys, my brain stops working when I get like stressed of any kind. My brain's just like, what? You want me to function? You want me to form words? No, not happening. Not happening. Okay. Only like personal stress though. I can handle like work stress. I mean, I don't have a ton of stress with this job, but I'm talking about like other work stress. Like I could handle that, but personal stress, I'm like, nope. Me hiding behind things so that people who are walking their dogs don't see me. This new house, my office literally faces our backyard, so we'll never have any awkward, weird things anymore. Unless our pool boy's back there, but I don't think we're getting a pool boy because I think I'm gonna be the pool boy. Anywho, I'm gonna try anyways, but, okay. So, she just has a pair of like jeans that are kind of, not cropped, but I have 2 pairs of these jeans that I'm contemplating like cutting the hem at the bottom just to kind of give a frayed look like hers, which I think are super cute. Anywho, okay, she's got some red flats on. I'm gonna wear my lattice ones because I feel like they're very springy, very summery, very cute, and I love any excuse to wear them. And I have blue nail polish on it, so it's very interesting looking. But anyhow, all right, now let's put on a blue button-up. Oh, did the trash truck wake you from your slumber? How rude, tell them. All right, so she has a blue button-up. I have this one from J. Crew. We're gonna pop on and give a good tuck around. A little blue on blue on blue. She's big. My butt's about to grow in size. So for me. Okay. Anywho, all right. This is good. This is so good. It's so basic. It's so good, okay? I love this little orange K. It brings me so much joy and happiness. I want like these shirts, but in like every color little K. If you didn't know, you could get a little thing monogrammed at J. Crew, and they either do it on the sleeve or here. And I always roll up my sleeves, so I was like, well, that doesn't make sense. So I decided to do it here, and I just feel like it's very like subtle and not like typical. I love it. Oh my god, I want to stay in this outfit. So cute. Okay, so she's all like, I think she's working in like a boutique. And she's all like, what do we think? Her, me, nailed it. I love this. It's so good. You cannot tell me anything about jeans and a button up. Perfection. Throw a belt, throw some fun colored shoes on. Very springy, adorable. I love these lattice shoes. Old Navy for the win. All right, that's it. All right, let's move on to the third look. Okay, so look number 3 is something I've had on my Pinterest board forever. Now this is not an outfit. I'm not a cowboy boot girl every day, and like to be honest with you, I could be because I live in Texas, but I'm just not, okay? But I thought this would still be a really cute outfit in case I'm going to any like country concerts or I don't know, we spend the day out in Fort Worth or something, who knows. I just thought it'd be cute to have an outfit like this. So I figured we'd try it, even though I think it's adorable because I love a white skirt with a yellow sweater and boots. I just don't typically reach for stuff like this, but we're gonna try and we're gonna see how it looks so I can have it in my arsenal, you know? Cute clothes arsenal. If you don't have an outfit arsenal of cute things, girl, you're missing out, you need to. A picture of outfits of cute. If you don't have an arsenal of outfits that are cute and you can't wait to wear, then girl, what are you doing? That's what I meant to say. I did unfortunately pack up my little like tiered kind of poplin type of skirt, so I only have this little linen one, but I think it will get the job done. You just have to imagine. But I do have one similar to that, but oh god, already packed it up. I've already packed up just about everything. Scott comes to me every day and he's like, did you pack up all those? And I was like, yes, Scott, I packed up something that we haven't used in the past 4 years and didn't think we'd need in the next month, but apparently we do need it. So yeah, I'm good at doing that, packing things that apparently we needed even though we hadn't needed for 4 years. So there's that. Anyhow, all right, skirt on. Let's put on, this is a very basic outfit. Let's put on our little yellow sweater. You wanna know how crazy I am? Okay, I'll give you a glimpse. We had an open house on Sunday, and Saturday night we have planted like new like winter rye, I think is what it's called, but the grass just is growing so fast and it looks like we hadn't mowed our lawn in like a month even though we only have a small yard. So we're like asking around for people that like live nearby that have weed whackers to weed whack our yard, and no such luck. And like honestly, we could have just bought one, but we don't have the place to store it at this moment because we're gonna need one anyways, because I'm also gonna be the lawn guy. Meet your lawn and pool guy. I'm so excited. Anywho, so I'm outside with pruning shears, twisting, cutting, twisting, cutting, twisting, cutting, twisting, cutting, giving my lawn a haircut.
A big old pile of grass. Skizzers. Let's go. Get here.
At night, probably, I don't know, 9:30 at night, my neighbors were probably like, we can't wait for that crazy lady to move. I will do anything to sell a house, okay? Anyhow, no one came to our open house. Anywho, it didn't work because no one bought our house, but such is life. I just thought about it because someone was out mowing the lawn, and I sent my brother and best friend a picture, so or a video, so I'll insert it. Okay, so this is the look. Definitely, like I said, her skirt is a little more flouncy, but I still think this is cute. I like it. I think it's cute. It's kind of a little bit hot for this, but if I was going out like to an evening type of thing in Fort Worth, this could work. Alright, let's move on to the fourth and final look. Okay, look number 4 is classic, great, I just like it, okay? So, we're gonna wear it. Listen, once you find your style and you have pieces in your wardrobe that you love to wear, mixing and matching them is so much fun. And you're like, wow, I'm so glad I got these because I wear them all the time. And I love outfits that use them. So it's just like, yes, validation, if you know what I mean. Cost per wear, very, very low. So she has more of like a boat neck tank in gray, but I only have this one in gray, so y'all know the drill. Inspiration, not replication. Okay, so let's tuck this in. She has a brown studded belt, which we all know. I love and wear this all the time from NAKD. Say NAKD or do you say naked? I don't know. Okay. Now, she has just like Hermes little flat sandals. I probably would do my flats to match this a little bit better, but we're gonna stay with this because that's what she has. I don't know, I just wouldn't have probably paired these sandals. I probably would have gone with the darker. I like when my belt and my shoes match. I know a lot of people say it doesn't have to, but just because it doesn't have to doesn't mean I don't like it too, you know? She has some big sunnies. I think I'm gonna go with these sunnies, to be honest with you. This is what we're gonna wear for the rest of the day. Cute. She has a bag. I don't know where my Chloe bag is right now. Everything, like I said, packed away, so bear with me while we go through this transition. We have a couple more weeks left, and then we'll have all of my things, and they're gonna be so much better organized, so my ability to like pull and make outfits is gonna be so much better. Anyway, this is my 4th and final look. I think this is so cute. Well, not mine, it's hers. I replicated it. I think it's cute, but honestly, let me show you with different shoes. These are the shoes, the flats that I would go with. But this is like an outfit that I would wear I've probably recreated something very similar to this a million times because I just like it. And these flats go with my belt a lot better. I like it. Anyway, that's it. Those are my 4 Pinterest outfits that I recreated using things that I already had. It's so much fun and so rewarding to be able to create like endless options and outfits with the clothes that you have. So nailing down your personal style, using Pinterest as a vision. I'm doing it my whole house through Pinterest as well, you guys. If you are curious to see that, let me know. I was thinking of doing it on my vlog channel, kind of like going through my Pinterest board room by room by like what the vibe is that I want in my house. But it's so easy to kind of like see and kind of get a gist, a mood board, if you will. And then you kind of plug and chug. Since we're creating a whole new style, and let's say you just hate your style, or just, you don't even hate it, just need to tune it in. Pinterest. I am not good with interior decorating at all, okay? I can put an outfit together, and it's because of practice. So practice, use Pinterest as a resource. I hope these videos help you. And as always, I love to know what your favorite outfit was in the comments down below. And I will see you guys in the next one very, very soon. Bye.